In the heart of Zimbabwe, a nation marked by its rich history and vibrant culture, a different kind of force has often shaped its political landscape: the military. As I delve into recent events, it's clear that the role of the military in political protests is not just a matter of internal security, but a significant factor in the nation's journey toward democracy and human rights. Let's rewind to the past few years in Zimbabwe. Mass protests have become a common sight, with citizens rallying against economic turmoil and political oppression. These aren't just gatherings, they're loud, powerful statements against decades of mismanagement and corruption. Back in 2017, the military played a pivotal role in ousting longtime leader Robert Mugabe, navigating the nation through a tense political shift. Fast forward to the post-election violence in 2018, and again during the fuel protests in 2019. Each time, the military's presence on the streets was stark, its actions critical in shaping the outcomes. But what does this mean for Zimbabwe today? As I speak, the nation stands at a crossroads. The military's dual role as both protector and power broker is under scrutiny. Their intervention in protests, sometimes as peacemakers, sometimes as enforcers, paints a complex picture of allegiance and influence. Critics argue the military's involvement in governance could stifle the democratic process, turning a potential tool for stability into a wildcard that might hinder true democratic reform. On the other hand, proponents believe a strong military is essential for maintaining order and transitioning smoothly towards a more democratic regime. However, the international community remains cautious. History has shown that while military intervention can indeed lead to positive change, it can also pave the way for renewed authoritarianism if not carefully managed. The balance is delicate, and the stakes are high. As the Southern African Development Community (SADC) Summit approaches, all eyes are on Zimbabwe. How will the military influence the upcoming protests? Will they facilitate peace and order, or will their presence incite further unrest? These are questions that not only resonate with Zimbabweans but with anyone interested in the dynamics of military power in civil movements. This is more than just a local issue. It's a vivid chapter in the ongoing narrative of Africa's struggle for democracy and sovereignty, a reminder of the potent mix of military might and popular will. As we watch these events unfold, one thing is clear: the path to democracy is never linear, and the march of soldiers on the streets of Zimbabwe is a testament to that complex journey. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these critical moments, understanding that the actions of today will shape the Zimbabwe of tomorrow.